9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch, launch, launch AAVs.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. It's a little bit not sunshiny today, so it's cloudy. I'm not sure what day of the vlogmas this video is gonna be in. Quiet. But I'm now on base. I'm gonna go by our auto hobby shop. So it's a great benefit that a lot of military bases have, but with like budget cuts, a lot of them did get cut. So today we're going to be talking about the auto hobby shop on my base here at Herbertfield, Florida. And as usual, if this is your first time checking out the video, even if it's not your first time checking out the video or the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, for future uploads, and thumbs up, comment, share, and let's get to it. We're on a road to get to it, 5K. But the auto hobby shop is a near and dear place. Have a near and dear place in my heart because I've always went to the auto hobby shop. This was my first duty assignment back in 2000. So I've always went to the auto hobby shop for my Honda days. Me and my buddy Winston, every weekend we're here doing a different thing, and I'll show you all the benefits that it have. And it gives, you know, people who live in the dorms, or even if you don't live in the dorms, you could get on base, give you the opportunity to work on your car, use a lift, use specialty tools, and they also have a pretty knowledgeable staff that could assist you with whatever you're working on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour of the Herbertfield Auto Hobby Shop. I said I love it. All the car people love it. So I'm glad that they didn't close this one down. So here I am at the Auto Hobby Shop. They have one of the best alignments. It's like the laser alignment. So you come here, you get your car aligned. Of course, it's not free, but it's usually cheaper than when you go downtown to get your car aligned. And they have the new hunter machines. You got the tools. Ooh, look at this car. It's a nice Camaro. So they have all of that. And then over here, they have like a little quick parts area. So if you need some quick parts, they could do it. And look at that. They have all those clutch alignment tools, so you can always find one to fit your needs. Some storage, some more tire machines over here. So the stuff over here, the staff only use this stuff, so you can't use this stuff in here. So we're gonna have to go in these bays. Over here is where you work. So right here is where you change where you put all your oil. Then you come over here, you crush your filters, all your used oil, then all your trash. All of these right here you're going to use. They're working on cars. Then you have all the lifts over here. You have that kind of lift. They're working on that lift and that lift. And then when you rent a booth, you get a tool cart. This is a tire machine. I usually use this one myself. You could do your own tire machine. If you're doing lowering springs, the spring compressor. Also a tire machine. And then they have the balancer, the road force balancer. You can't use the balancer though. They do all the balancing. And then of course a brake blade, nobody does that anymore. And then if you have any specialty tools that you may need, you come here and you sign out whatever tool or specialty tool you may need. So that's their office right there. You could do your own AC. So these are all usually military people. And then a few of the workers. My boy Latifi. So customers also, you could come here and drop your car off and they'll work on your car for you. I like doing this also. You could have your engine shipped here because they have a forklift, so you don't have to pay those extra freight charges coming to your house. Transmission jack, of course you guys saw me use that. High creepers. It looked like a new blast cabinet, but one of the other main things that they have is a paint booth. I'm gonna go from the other side and show you the paint booth. So right here, this is the paint booth from the outside. So you rent, oh! Little dog, you scared me. I didn't even do that. You scared me. So you come here, you paint your own car, you buy your own paint. I'm just doing it. And they got all the newest technology. The draft, brand new paint booth. Got all the stuff you need. You could bring your gun or rent their gun. And then this guy here, he's painting his own car. So you just come in, look at that. You paint your car up. I know it's hard to hear, they got all the stuff. And then you go ahead and you paint your own car. So it's pretty cool. And you rent it by the day, how many times you need it. And also there's car storage, you could pay to store your cars there. So it's really cool to have this kind of stuff, especially for car guys in the military and girls too. Here's next room is the presser room, blaster room, welding room, cutting room. Hey bud, how you doing? What you working on?
I've got some straight bolts on the drive shaft.
What does this go to, a truck or a car? Look like a four-wheel, huh?
It's a Jeep.
So here we go. Yeah, you could come here, you could rent your own, not rent, you rent the area, you use all their stuff. So you're welding some stuff on? All right, so let me know, I'll close my eyes while you're doing it. So you come here, they have nice welders, cutters, everything that you need, even the hoods. So you go ahead and do that, work on your stuff. What rank are you, if you don't mind me asking?
A1C.
A1C, so that's a E3. So we come here. Don't you think this is valuable for military people to have this?
I use this like every other week.
Yeah, when I came in, I was telling them I came in like 20 years ago. Every weekend, me and my buddy was here, was working on something, the paint booth, this. Because if not, you have to find somebody to pay for it. If you're do-it-yourself, or especially if you live in the dorms, it's hard to work on stuff like this. In the parking lot of the dorms. That's how we used to do it. Yeah. On everything. My boy Latif. What you doing, Latif?
Window regulator, door handle, and just have to finish on the radio.
Yeah. So they do everything here. Way cheaper than going downtown. And you know it's getting good quality and the price. How much is it to rent a lift?
Lifts are $6 an hour for flat phone. I mean $8 an hour, and we also got half hour rates.
Okay. See that? $8 an hour. Those are invaluable. You can't beat that. And you get to use their expertise when you can't figure stuff out. All you have to do, bring him some donuts and he'll help you.
Donuts and coffee.
Donuts and coffee. We had donuts, when was that? Saturday or Sunday? Saturday. We had donuts on Saturday. But yeah, you do your AC, brake jobs, everything. So this is, as I said, very invaluable. I love it. I support it. If they ever need anybody to donate to it, I definitely will, because it helps the young generation of car guys. We work on it, we use it. Here goes the yard. So they got the storage. You can store all their stuff, all these cars. One of these cars out here is mine. If you could guess which one it is, I'll send you a shirt. One of these out here is mine, and then there's some more back here as well. So you store these while you work on it, or you could just store them, get parts off of them, and so forth. I'll say one of these out here is mine. If you could guess which one, I'll send you a free shirt. JDM Integra, right-hand drive. Look at there. Another Integra, big boy transporter. Come here, bring your bike up here too. But that's it for the auto hobby shop here at Herbert Field. If you're in the area, you have access to base, definitely support this great resource. Of course, I'm not getting paid for any of this stuff. I just love it here, and I love all the guys here. I'm friends with them, play golf with them and stuff like that. So it's a great, what would I say? Not a great, what's the word I'm looking for? Great facility. I go a great facility. And as usual, if this is your first time, or not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Thumbs up, comment, like, share, and until the next video, peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like